That's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So today we are here with my friend Asghar. He has tuned this car.
Yep. Right now, currently, almost to 700 wheel horsepower. 700 wheel horsepower.
I have not experienced that before.
Can you say that number again?
700 wheel.
700.
I have not experienced that before. And so what I expect from the 5 Series is 118 horsepower at the crank. Yeah, I'm really excited about today. First impression, this suspension is nothing like a 520. Holy
Daily driven, bro.
I should probably put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, you should. Honestly.
That was awesome. That was the scariest moment of my life. Okay.
With this tune, it handles the car very well.
Okay.
Makes the car more grippier.
Nice. The way this chassis handled the turns that you were doing at I've tried going as fast as I can with my car, and the fastest I've been able to go without like actually slipping the car has been.
I see, yeah.
And you were doing like easy, like that's just the chassis and the suspension and all of that, right?
Chassis and
Yeah.
suspension, yeah.
So
Makes a lot of difference.
makes a lot of difference. Sat in a couple of fast cars so far in my life, and I tell you one thing, the car is fast and all, this car, but he's a damn good driver. I'm not scared, as scared as I should be, you know.
Wow, that's a good compliment.
No, really, like.
Bro, I get really scared too.
Have you ever driven a 520D before?
Nope. I haven't been in a normal F10 before actually.
Okay, coming on next on AJ Drives.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's go.
That's the one.
I tell you one thing. I've sat next to a lot of people.
You were saying something?